Warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration of the exhibition, The Present Colombo, Bangalore, at the National Gallery of Modern Art, Bangalore, in collaboration with the Indo-Sri Lanka Foundation. As the distinguished guests for this evening program, we have with us Sri M.S. Satyu, Film Director, Sri S.G. Vasudev, Eminent Artist and Member Advisory Committee, NGMA Bengaluru, Sri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman, Advisory Committee, NGMA Bengaluru, Srimati Shantamani Muddaya, and Sri Chandragupta Tenuvara, artists of the exhibition from Bangalore and Colombo respectively. A warm welcome to you all of you once again. I now request the dignitary to commence this evening program by lighting the lamp. I now request Srimati Satyabama Badrinath, Director, NGMA, to deliver the welcome address.
Respected dignitaries, members of the Advisory Committee, the Chief Guest, Mr. Satyu, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to welcome you all for this great exhibition, Present Colombo, Bangalore, by two eminent artists, Mr. Chandragupta Tenuvara and Mrs. Shantamani Muddaya. I think in today's world, when things are changing very fast. The artist's perception of such a changing world, I suppose, is absolutely essential. And today's exhibition is underscores this change. And we have some very fine prints of what the artists have thought about it. And it is my privilege once again to welcome the chief guest, Mr. Satyu, for having agreed to come to inaugurate this exhibition. I welcome you all once again.
Thank you, ma'am. As a small token of appreciation, I now request Srimati Satyabhama Badrinath, Director NGMA Bangalore, to present a memento to Sri M.S. Satyu. I request Srimati Satyabhama Badrinath, Director NGMA Bangalore, to present a bouquet to Sri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman Advisory Committee NGMA Bangalore. I request ma'am to present a bouquet to Sri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman. Okay, sorry. Sorry. I request ma'am to present a memento to the artist. And a memento to Srimati Shantamani Muddaya. A memento to Sri Chandragupta Tenura. I now request Srimati Shantamani Muddaya and Sri Chandragupta Tenura, artists of this exhibition, to say a few words.
Distinguished guests and friends here, and thank you very much. This is a great opportunity for me personally and to Sri Lanka, because this kind of collaboration happened throughout the past. Middle of last year we started this work, and we completed our first exhibition in April in Colombo, and now in NGMA. So it's I think it's normally modern art galleries gives dead artists to exhibitions, so we are happy to be living artists to be here. So normally it's a great honor for us, and I think this tradition might be continue. And this our exhibition is kind of, I think my works are very political. It's related to my country and what's happening in the what's happened in 30 years of war, and now how it's changed, and from camouflage to, and there are a lot of drawings related to political situation there, and we hope our intervention change the minds of the people and get better understanding, and these kind of ventures tighten our relationship, because this is the first time a venture that's this kind of opportunity had Sri Lankan artists. Normally there were Sri Lankan artists visitors Bangalore. I know for the Shanti Road and those kind of exchange program happened, but this is the kind of collaboration might be gave a lot of chances to artists, have workshop, working with the students, get understanding of the both countries' situation. So I don't want to say a lot of words, and I think our works will be tell you more stories. And I first, again, I want to thank Shantamani first, because of she and this happened. And again, I want to thank our common friend. He is living in Delhi now. He's Mr. Ramachandra, and he's between us and Asia, Sri Lanka India Foundation too, and NGMA receiving us and our, all the guests. And I think all the names and every things can be told by Shantamani. And thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Now that Chandragupta talked about the collaborative part, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone. I would like to thank NGMA and its advisory committee, Chairman Shri Sudhakar Rao, Mr. Vasudev, and Mrs. Satyabama Badrinath for supporting this show. I thank Indo-Sri Lanka Foundation for supporting this collaborative event. I grew up in art college watching Sri Satyuji's film. It was an insight and understanding to understand how medium is used as a tool for me. I still remember some of the film frames as a student, and I was quite surprised because I grew up only seeing commercial films, and when I saw films with Satyajit, and then I thought that is something different that I should also think about. So I'm grateful for his generosity to be here today, and I wholeheartedly thank every guest of mine here who braved the traffic of Bangalore. I also thank NGMA staff, the administrative team, collaborative team, and curatorial team and security team who really extended their support to put the show together. Thank you.
I now request Sri S.G. Vasudev, eminent artist and member, Advisory Committee, NGMA Bengaluru, to give us his address.
Friends, I was quite surprised when Shantamani asked me to be a guest of honor, because I have nothing to do with this, excepting that I worked on the advisory committee and we supported this whole project. However, I'm very happy it has happened, and things like this should happen in NGMA Bangalore, and we will look forward for activities like this to continuously happen. At the same time, I must say that I was very disappointed to see in today's one of the newspapers an article, a report regarding yesterday's exhibition. And this reporter doesn't even understand what does she want. She thinks today some Tendulkar, tomorrow some Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, she doesn't really see the seriousness of the whole exhibition. There are at least about 10, 12 very good artists have done some work. Either it could be Tendulkar or anybody. Tomorrow, if somebody asks an exhibition on Bhimsen Joshi and invite about 10, 15 artists to do some paintings, won't we do that? Won't we exhibit? This place is for culture, not only for painting or sculpture. It's for culture. The dance can take place here, theater can take place here, music. That's how we should bring all this art together. And some artists have also given some comments today about what NGMA should do. I mean, it's a very irresponsible way of talking. In any case, I mean, I was very disturbed when I read the paper today, and I hope people do consider talking seriously to the people who are working here, trying to put up something or the other here to make it possible. And I'm glad today's exhibition has taken place, and these sort of collaborations are very important for us. And Bangalore is a place where I find a lot of collaborations are taking place. And I wish both the artists success, and hope to see more and more activities happen in NGMA. Thank you.
I request now Sri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman, Advisory Committee, NGMA Bengaluru, to give us his remarks.
Mr. Satyu, Mr. Vasudev, the two artists, Shantamani ji and Chandragupta ji, and distinguished invitees. First of all, a warm welcome to you all. A very good evening. I'm particularly pleased that we are hosting this event today because it marks a collaboration at sort of 3 levels between 2 artists, one based in Bangalore and one in Colombo, between two institutions, the India-Sri Lanka Foundation on the Colombo side or the Sri Lankan side, and NGMA Bangalore. And of course, finally, the two cities, which in a sense collaborate to provide the background for the work of the two artists. And interestingly enough, it's a forerunner to, if I remember right, there is to be an India festival in Sri Lanka towards the end of this year. And lots of collaborative events are planned there too. So we are, in a sense, marking the beginning of that collaboration. They are talking about a Ramayana heritage trail. They're talking about having the Buddhist heritage in the two countries exhibited and so on and so forth. So I'm particularly happy that this exhibition, which was first premiered, which was first mounted in Colombo, has come here. The artists have already spoken and Mr. Vasudev has already spoken, so I need hardly speak about the works by themselves, except to say that both Bangalore and Colombo are sort of constantly undergoing transition and changes. Very rapid changes have taken place in Colombo on the socio-political side, which Mr. Tanuvira has sort of highlighted, and of course Bangalore as a city which is constantly in transition, changes from almost day to day. So I think it's a remarkable subject, a very interesting subject, and I'm sure you'll all enjoy the exhibition. I hadn't read this article that Mr. Vasudev mentioned yesterday, but I would like to mention very clearly that for the record, that yesterday's program was cleared, not so much because of who was being sort of venerated there, but more because the stature of the 10 artists and their works. So I too have no hesitation in endorsing that mounting yesterday's exhibition was a step in the right direction. As far as today's program is concerned, thanks of course to Mr. Satyu for having taken time off to come here. A noted film and theater person. I think his film Garam Hawa still ranks as the best film that I have ever seen in my life. And thanks are also due to the NGMA team, now led by the new director Satyabama Badrinath and the deputy director Mr. Narayan. But I would especially like to, apart from of course the two artists, I would especially like to here recognize, although Mr. Vasudev said he had no role to play, it just amazes me how much time and how much effort that he has for promoting arts, promoting artists. I mean, I think art is his life. I mean, even this exhibition, I remember from the time we were thinking of it, it was he who was pushing it. Although Mr. Ramchandran in Delhi may have been the man who brought the two artists and the event together, he was himself in Colombo earlier. So I think a salute is due to Mr. Vasudev for, even though he's a leading artist of Karnataka, of India indeed, but he has time to encourage art, he has time to encourage new artists. And I think he's a wonderful asset, not only to NGMA Bangalore, but to the art world here. Having said that, I hope you all enjoy the exhibition, and thank you all for coming once again.
Request Sri M.S. Satyu, film director, to give the inaugural address.
Well, it's always a great pleasure to come to this particular museum and art gallery. I think it's one of the best art galleries in the world, actually. The way it is located, the way it has been spread out, even in a small building like this and reconstructed. The last time I think I came and Hebar's exhibition was held here. And I knew Hebar personally in Bombay and used to meet him quite often. And I always connected him with the kind of paintings that he used to, figure drawing and of dancers and, you know. But I never knew that he was a painter of a different kind also. And when I saw the paintings here, then it was quite a revelation for me. What a vast canvas he had. I mean, he tried everything under the sun and painted. So that way, you know, a gallery like this, you know, helps you to learn more about the art and the artists. And even the exhibition now, which has shifted to Bombay, on Gemini Roy, is another revelation again. And I was a small person when I was in my school and college. I used to copy a lot of people's paintings, and Gemini Roy was one of the painters whom I used to copy and you know, and show it to my friends and things like that. But it was quite a revelation for me. And today, to come here, it's a great pleasure, such an informal gathering. I like this kind of an atmosphere. It's not that you're sitting in an auditorium and then lecturing away. It is nice to see everyone standing and the guests also standing around, the painters standing just behind. This whole collaboration which is taking place between Colombo and Bangalore is a unique thing, and I'm sure the exhibition is going to be really wonderful. I mean, I always associate Sri Lanka with cricket, not so much with other arts, except their Buddhist art, you know, the old Buddhist temples of Ceylon or Sri Lanka today. So it is nice to see a painter, Mr. Gupta from Colombo, who has come here. He says his works are very political, and I'm more interested in that because I, as a filmmaker and a theater person, is also very political, wrongly or rightly, you know. So it's a great pleasure, sir, to meet you. And Shantamani has known her for quite some time. And, so it's a great pleasure and an honor to me to be here. And I thank the NGMA who has invited me to inaugurate. And I declare the exhibition open. Thank you.
On behalf of NGMA Bengaluru, I now present the vote of thanks. First and foremost, our sincere thanks to Sri M.S. Satyu, Film Director, for accepting our invitation and taking the time out from his schedule to be a part of this inaugural ceremony. Thank you, sir. I also extend our gratitude to Sri S.G. Vasudev, eminent artist and member Advisory Committee, NGMA Bengaluru, Sri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman, Advisory Committee, NGMA Bengaluru, Srimati Shantamani Muddaya, and Sri Chandragupta Tenuvara, artists of the exhibition, Srimati Satyabhama Badrinath, Director, NGMA Bengaluru, members of Advisory Committee, Bengaluru. We would also like to acknowledge the Indo-Sri Lanka Foundation and Ministry of Culture, Government of India for making this exhibition possible, and finally my colleagues and staff members at NGMA Bengaluru for installing this exhibition. Thank you all.